Dishwasher stuck at 2 minutes and won't complete cycle. Replace control module.
Hello from Ja, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 35 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. And have you let it run down in time to see what it will do, or does it not count down and do anything?
The normal wash light was blinking constantly in the reset procedure of heated dry, normal, heated dry, normal, heated dry normal would not reset the machine. After checking the latch mechanism and power off process to encourage reset, I replaced the control module. Upon restarting the machine, the timer display shows 2. The machine itself sounds like it is struggling and the timer goes blank for a few seconds and then comes back on at 2. Will not progress beyond that point.
Okay, the reset as you call it is for if the clean light is blinking 7 times, then a pause and 7 times over and over. I have to suspect that you have a stuck keypad on the console that is the normal light constantly flashing. And when you replace the control module, control board, that removed the error code of the flashing light that was stored in the old control board. I suspect you will need to replace the console/control panel. But first let's try to reboot the control board by turning the power off to the unit for over 5 minutes to drain the control board memory. Try that, then try to run a cycle and let me know what it does, if anything.
This seems to have worked. The dishwasher has started a normal cycle and we will see if it runs to completion. Thanks.
No problem. Glad to assist you. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me WHRLP Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me is the only way I get paid for my time. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.